Hi everybody, my name is Bob Pruitt. I own the company Pruitt Carpet Care, and we just moved here to Texas from most recently Florida. I've been in business for 35 years elsewhere. I'm so happy to be here. I love Texas, I love Texans. My family's all here, my grandchildren are here. We are home and we're excited to be Texans. And I want you to know that I do beautiful work. I've always done beautiful work. It's a step above your average carpet cleaner or your average cleaning company. I take the time, I use all the energy, I have the best equipment in the world, I use the best cleaning products in the world. I'm so excited to meet you. I want to take good care of your family. And give me a call as soon as you can, and I'm going to take wonderful care of your house, and I'll see you then.
Hi, I'm Ann, and I just wanted to take a minute secretly to tell you a few things that Bob will never tell you. First of all, Bob has done work for people like Oprah, Steve Martin, Barbara Streisand, Jonathan Winters, John Travolta. He just does beautiful work. He is going to take the time to do your carpet, your tile, your rugs, your upholstery cleaning the way that it needs to be done. He does not miss extra steps. He doesn't blow through. He's not going to leave until that carpet or tile or upholstery or your rugs are as clean and soft and germ-free as absolutely possible. When you call Bob, you call somebody with 35 years experience. I get calls from other carpet cleaners across the country asking advice from Bob. Use his experience to work for you and give us a call today.
Hi everybody. One last thing. I wanted to show you the equipment that we purchased for our Texas operation. I went ahead and I upgraded this equipment. I spent an extra $25,000 to make sure I got the very best, top of the line, hottest, best, most awesome cleaning product there is. And I'm going to show it to you real quick. This equipment is made by the Butler system, and it's the Butler Corporation in Massachusetts. We've upgraded it. We've spent an extra probably $25,000 or $30,000 to get it extra hot, extra strong, extra powerful, extra everything. And we do not skimp on equipment. We do not skimp on cleaning products. We do not skimp on tools. And I am never in a hurry. I'm going to take my time to make sure you get the best job possible. Thanks for looking at our video, and please call me, and I appreciate you very much.